1007 or 97 left, can take off.
Take off.
Delta
All
947.
right, here comes Alaska, headed our way.
7 left, line up way, Delta 947.
Delta 947 getting, our 757 getting ready to go back to Detroit, Rock City.
Zero 8, runway 7 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 7 left, Delta 947.
Central aircraft information, officers now current winds 100 at 8, Phoenix altimeter 29 or 9 or 7, runway 8 now open.
Yeah, let's start your morning with the 757. Let's do it.
Scout 65, 12 Phoenix Tower, wind 10 at 8, runway 7 right, to the left. Southwest 25, 69 Phoenix Tower, 97 left, line up and wait.
7 left, line way, Southwest 25.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Another flying pencil alert, roger that. Here's a 737 MAX 8. Yeah, he must have gotten engaged or something. All right, Tommy. I can accept that. Another 757 flying pencil.
12.
You're not far off, Kevin. Ah, beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, Southwest line 360, we're ready to go.
Aloha indeed. This is very exciting for me. First time catching a 787 taking off. A Hawaiian 787. All right, Tommy. Hey, thanks for joining in, dude. Have a great day at school. We'll catch you later, Tommy. Appreciate you, bud. Have a great day. Maybe, Scott. I said if Kevin Stanhope gave me a Wawa gift certificate, I'm in. Excellent, Jane. Hope it's a good morning to see this beauty.
Southwest 264, what's short runway 7 left, Foxtrot 10.
Sure, 7 left, Foxtrot 10, Southwest going.
Off to the Hawaiian Islands they go.
Yeah, good morning, Southwest 236.
Chancellor 9er pump, single turn right, heading 130.
1307. 130, heading 78 now,
So I'm putting my my top convenience store choices on the poll question.
November 9er Pump Tango, fly heading 160. 160.
There goes our friendly squirrel.
November 9er Pump Tango, contact departure. Contact departure.
The friendly. I think Racetrack kind of has an edge on Quick Trip, and here's why. QT does not have, in every QT station I've been to, there's no yogurt. Racetrack gives you frozen yogurt at many of their convenience stores. So that's why I give Racetrack the edge over Racetrack the edge over Quick Trip.
Route 13. Continue Fox Road, hold short 7 left, Fox Road 13, American 39 degrees.
What's up, Chaotic Bean? Good morning. Maryland 1. All right, I'll cross my fingers for it, Hemi brothers. Remember, we're on the south side. Okay, roger that, Roy. Oh, look at that. Maryland 1. Our first special of the morning. How about that? Excellent work. Thank you, Tim. Thank you, Hemi brothers, for the alerts on that.
3721, finish tower, runway 7 left, line up, lane, chops, cross, downfield. Runway 7 left, 3712.
Maryland 1. How about that? Looking good, looking good.
Sub 1749, turn left, taxi, Echo, Delta 10, spot 3, remain this frequency. Echo, Delta 10, spot 3, with OT, so 1749.
Well, isn't that special?
American 3093, cross
It is
runway 7
special.
left at
It
Foxtrot
is.
13, taxi via the east route. Quick approach, 07 flat, cleared north on the east route, American 3093.
Tower American 643, inbound 7 right.
American 643, finish tower, runway 7 right. Clear
That
land,
was
wind
the
0,
only,
niner, 0,
you know, when I
99.
was in college in Utah, Gavin, that was the only show I could get on
Yeah, we can take the last available. Yeah, Southwest 2573, change to runway 7 miles.
American Airlines landing on 7 right. Hey, it's our flagship Valor coming back. Another special livery this morning. Flagship Valor back in action.
Departure, Scott 3761. Tower American 2027 on visual 7 right.
Deborah May, what's up? Good morning.
68. Advised parting Boston site of the eastbound. 7 left line of away to the traffic site. Op 3, finish, are you ready? United 2649, maintain visual separation, runway 7 left, clear for takeoff. 7 left, clear for takeoff. American 2027, hold short, runway 7 left at Foxtrot 13. Hold short.
Well, isn't that special?
It looks beautiful in the sunlight. Look at that. I'm hoping for a couple more hours. I'm hoping until about 11 if my batteries can last that long, Jane. Hey, just a thought. What's up? Great to see you. Thank you very much. Look at that. Yeah, the American Special looking great in the sunlight. Boop the snoot. That's right. Boop the snoot, Josh. You know, it's funny you mentioned that, Dave, because that's what I told my sister this week, and I said if it gets too hot, I'll just drive on top of Mount Lemon. So you are spot on, Dave. Spot on, sir. Wouldn't hesitate at all. Tucson. Firm landing by that 757. Boink. There is our Giants livery. I don't know if I've caught this. I think I have in Dallas. But most definitely been a while. Yeah, ready to cut bait, AER. I get you. Ready to roll. And another Tide Pod. I love when I can get a frontward facing view of an A330 because it looks like it's floating.